CAS Auto Packing System. CAS Auto Packing System, delivered to call wrong, is an automation solution that carries out all the processes from packaging to loading. The overall system uses a single packing machine to fill packing materials with different ingredients from the 5 hoppers, and has been optimized to suit the structure of the factory. The system comprises auto-packing, sealing, auto-checker, palletizing, and lapping. First, the packing machine moves along the rail to the hopper, which is prepared with ingredients. The auto-packing machine, responsible for the key processes, automatically supplies packaging materials and fills them with a constant amount of ingredients by weighing them with a load cell installed below the hopper. In addition, along with the filling, labeling takes place, enabling the effective management of the product history. The sealed products moved along the conveyor belt to metal detectors and auto-checkers. There, the weight of the product and any contaminations are checked for, making the final decision on the quality of the product. A palletizing robot then loads the examined product neatly on the pallet, while also completing lapping. CAS Auto Packing System provides most effective smart factory environment that increases hourly productivity based on weight sensor technology that CAS has accumulated over 30 years. Total Range Solution.